Come with me to Avery Island, Louisiana to visit the Tabasco Factory. Hey, hey, yes, it was such a beautiful day to visit the museum and factory, and your girl was just happy to be out of the house and spa because I work hard. So, first stop was to the admission desk to pay for your entry, and she was very helpful.
They'll tell you about their drive-through.
Okay.
This is yours.
Thank you. Next stop was at the country store where everything was Tabasco branded. They had so many items, food, sauces, different flavors of sauces, even down to the wood chips, and they had plenty of kitchen accessories for all you chefs. Next was to the museum where they had so many different displays where you can learn about Tabasco, the brand, and the family and founders. And so we were learning so much about Avery Island. You'll see later how big the island actually is. Next, we went to the gardens and we saw the barrels and so many different ways they process the Tabasco, even crushing and storing peppers for years. And so, of course, we saw these really giant big Tabascos, and that was a perfect photo opportunity. Honestly, I was unaware how much impact the Tabasco brand has had not only in Louisiana culture, but culture all the way around the world. And this is how big Avery Island actually is. And so the next stop was to the salt mine display, and this display was very impressive. It had all the mood, the lightings, and it was a great replica. Next, we went to labeling and packaging, and we actually saw workers, like they actually work in the factory. It's not just the museum, but it's the actual factory where Tabasco sauces are made. Here's a fun fact. Though I'm from Louisiana, I don't really eat hot sauce. We went back out to the gardens, and this was the perfect opportunity for a photo op because the sun was hitting just right. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2 as this was a girls trip, and the next stop was to the Bougie Wax Bar to make candles. Yes.